Uh, so now we will see how the analog monitorings or the transmitter can be connected to the Siemens DCS system. So if we see here, we have made the graphics. Here is a small bar graph indicator which shows the level. So it is presently showing half of the level, so it is at 50%. So this is the normally the block icon for the transmitter, and this is what is the faceplate for this transmitters. So if we see the alarm set points, so we have configured 90 as high warning, 95 as high alarm, then 10 as a low warning, and 5 as a low alarm. So these are the say alarm thresholds what we have configured. If we see in the alarm window of this particular analog input, so it is blank because presently it is in the normal operating conditions. So just we will see how the alarms get generated, how it is reflected from the system. Actually, this Micrologic 1400 PLC has inbuilt or onboard digital inputs and outputs, and doesn't having a 4 to 20 milliampere inputs to simulate. So we are going to simulate the values from the Rockwell software. So from here we will simulate. So this is basically the block from which we will simulate the values, and from this Rockwell software, these signals will be transmitted to the controller, and this controller, and from this controller it has been passed on to the DCS system. Okay, so we will just simulate from here the values. So now presently the value is 50. We will increase it to 91. So we have simulated the value 91. So here if we see, we have got 90 value, 91 कर दो उसको. Yeah, okay. So we have simulated the value 91. So previously here the background was white, now it has been turned to yellow, which is indicating that the warning has been appeared. Okay, so if we go here also on the faceplate, we will get the warning. So we'll just see the alarms. So here we have got the indication that high warning limit violated. Okay. So this is what is the we can say alarm for this value. Now we will just simulate or increase this value to 96 and see how the alarm will appear. So again from this simulation software for analog inputs, we have changed the value to 96. Okay, if we see here the value 96 appeared on the block icon as well as on the faceplate, and here we got the red indication because it is a alarm. So here we have seen that there is a alarm for the high alarm limit violated. Okay. So basically these are the alarm inputs that we have received. So we will make it, we can say, we will make it, the input within a normal operating range. So that is 50. So from here we made it 50. And here also you can see the value 50, but still it is in red because we have not acknowledged the alarms. Okay, so once we have acknowledged the alarm, the background has been changed to the normal white background. Okay, so this is how a particular level transmitter has been connected and shown or indicated onto the DCS faceplates. Okay, so we'll see the analog output in the next video.